Just so you guys can see what I'm doing. I have a small IDF room. So right now I'm actually ran out of ports, so I can't really plug anything in unless I make space for it. So I unplugged this one. Now I'm actually in the process of just grabbing the cable, and I'm gonna put it down here somewhere. Let me just leave that there for a second. So the cable's right here. I'm trying to get it out of here. Figure out what cable it is. Just give me a second. I'm gonna have to make some space over here because it's not telling me where it is. So, okay. I think I found it. Yep, I found it. I found this cable. Yeah, so then what I'm gonna do is, right? I'm gonna use this cable for one of these ports over here that I need, because I have to put someone live right now, and I'm gonna close the tab back in, and I'm gonna leave this cable here, and then this one, I don't like the way this one looks. I'm gonna grab it, put it all the way around, tuck it in there. Same thing with this one. I'm gonna grab it, put it all the way around, tuck it in there, and I could plug it into any one that I want once I get back with this. You see I have no space on this in this IDF room. It used to be a lot worse. This is so much better now compared to before, but that's what it is. I'll get back to you guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Take care. Peace.